In this short video I will show you how to set up a Facebook app to integrate your MaxFBSeo with your blog on Facebook itself. You just go to developers.facebook.com. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to, if you go to apps and you create a new app, the first time it will actually ask you to validate your account. You either need to put your mobile number or your credit card account, and that's the way that you validate your account. So if I create a new one, in this instance I actually want to create one for my blog, which is Absolute Mind Power. So I'm just going to call my app display name, I'll call the I'll just make it Absolute Mind Power, something like that. And the app namespace, I'll just call it AM Power. Needs to be unique, it's available, and I will agree to all the Facebook platform policies. Agree to that. It's going to ask me for the captcha, and it is also always a challenge to make sure you get this right. Once again, one E too many. Sorry, just didn't see that in time. It looks like it created it in any case, even though I had a typo in there. Okay, great. So contact email, I'll just leave my existing email address in there. A couple of things that you need to do here. You need to specify the app domain. Now that is a unique way that you need to set this up. It's actually that absolutemindpower.com, like that, without the HTTP or the www. So you need to remove, it's not going to validate that. The best way to do this is actually to just post it in there, remove that part there, and that's what you're looking for, just the Absolute Mind Power. You can type it in as well if it's short enough, but that needs to be the correct one. So if I just go back to my blog, Facebook, and I put that in, that is the one. The other one is actually the correct URL. So if I go to absolutemindpower.com, which is the website, which is what I need to do next, I actually need to link that to a website. The website URL is the full URL in this instance. So those are the two things that are critically important to set up from. Those are only two things that you need to do to set this up as a app. And what I'll do now is just save changes, and you'll see it validates that. That is a key one that people get wrong, so just make sure that it's that name without the www or the HTTP, and then for the website you need to put the actual website in there. Otherwise it's going to say URL not found or something like that in the actual. That's one of the errors you may get when you set this up. So that's the app ID and the app secret, and you will need those in setting up MaxFBSeo.